We decided to build this factory because we have GEO-ENGINEERING cider, which is our brand. We do cider and we need wine. And to be ensured that we have enough with wine, we decided to make this factory here. At the factory here, we can make 10 million liters of wine. So we can produce about 30 million liters of wine in the future.
We are using a system where we can control almost everything. We can start the cider-based preparation and we can follow the fermentations and the fermentation tanks. We can start the filtration, an overview of the concentrate tanks and the syrup tanks, additive tanks. We are now standing in a new build tank part, and on the other side of the wall we are receiving the raw material and it goes into these tanks. On this side we have 8 fermenters where we ferment the wine. We are using the pear, apple concentrate and the sugar. Then we add the nutrient and the yeast through the additive room, through a pipe, automatically goes into the fermenters. On all the fermentation tanks we have a recirculation pump that makes fermentation go around, doing the fermentation more efficient. It's also used when we're doing the clarification and mix all the clarification material. On the tanks we have cooling jackets and temperature measurements and also bricks measurements. After the clarification we do a filtration of the wine, and we do that in an automatic cross-flow ceramic filter, and it's called the CFK. After the first filtration we transfer the wine sediment to a lead tank. We do another filtration on that sediment, and in a cross-flow filtration an Omnia filter. We install that filter because we want to recover as much as possible. It's only 2% waste in a batch size of 45,000 liters. The plant is fully automatic with lots of valves that are connected to the stainless pipe. The plant is only running with 2 persons on daytime. We have an automatic CIP system with acid, caustic, rinse water and fresh water that's also connecting with the stainless pipes to all the tanks. And the tanks have a rotary spray ball inside to make it clean as possible.
We looked around in the market in Europe to see which company could supply us with total equipment for this. And then we take contact with Della Toffola in Italy, and we went down to the factory. It was in the beginning of 2015. It was nice, it was very good, and everything started there. And they could supply us with everything: tanks, valves, pumps, filters, and also automation, because this is a very automation factory. Together we have solved the problems and it has been working. So we are satisfied, yes. And we get answered back very quickly, and they send people here to solve the problems. When we start 2015 with Della Toffola, it was We had no buildings here. We look how we can place everything inside the factory. And then we come together with a solution. This will work. This will be fine. That's okay for us. Because of that, we prefer Della Toffola to deliver everything.